Hi, welcome to Jane Geff Kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to prepare fish tilapia. Look at that. So I've already washed my tilapia, cleaned it very well. This is fresh tilapia and I will be showing you how to make it. Let's begin the process. Karibu. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you have been following my recipes, thank you. God bless you. And please share the video with someone, like it, and tell someone about tilapia. Let's get into the kitchen. Here is our fish, ready to be cooked. I have my onions, green pepper. I also have my red bell pepper, yellow red pepper, ginger and garlic. These are all the ingredients that I will need. I have my tomatoes for the fish. I will also use paprika. I'll also mix in turmeric just for spicing my food. I will also need some milk and of course the water. You can see the milk. Some salt. So my fish here will need all those ingredients. Now we are getting ready to prepare our fish stew. I've already put my onions. Remember, we don't need the oil. I'll just make the stew without using the oil. Very, very yummy and gravy fish stew. You will see it, you will like it, try it. You will be happy to have prepared this at home. And please make a comment there, let me know how you prepare your fish stew. You will see it, you will like it, try it. You will be happy to have prepared this at home. And please make a comment there, let me know how you prepare your fish stew. My ginger and garlic is already in there. My yellow red pepper or bell pepper, my red bell pepper. All of it to mix it together. Wow. The color always looks amazing when you put all these ingredients together. Finally, I have put my tomatoes. Now some people prefer to blend this, which is still okay. You can mix it all together and then you blend it. But I prefer to just cook it most of the times. Then we can leave it to... Wow. Our tomatoes, green, red, yellow bell peppers are getting ready, well cooked. Now here I'm adding in some paprika. I will also put in some turmeric. I'll also put in some salt. Then you mix a little. Right now, at this point, I want to put my fish. Here is a fish, as you can see. Just put it right inside. Then you add in some water. As you can see, this is my water. Just add in some water until the fish is well covered. Well covered. Wow. You will really like it. Just hold on there. Hold on there. Then you cover and bring it to boil. So as it boils, all our tomatoes and everything, they will all get ready as the fish stew boils. As you can see, our fish is almost ready. Actually, you can serve as it is, but for me, I would love to make it more gravy, so I'll add in some milk. Here is the milk. Just to make the gravy thick and delicious. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Very nice. It just smells amazing. So then give it some time and bring it to... Wow. Look at the fish. This is fish stew. I'm just getting ready to eat with ugali. Looking amazing. Amazing gravy. Look at that. Actually, now this is ready. You can now serve and just enjoy. This can actually be taken by 2 to 3 people with some ugali. Just sit and serve it with some ugali and vegetables if you like. Now our fish stew is ready. Please try to prepare this at home. God bless you. If you're new, I said subscribe or like it and share with a friend. Let them know how to prepare fresh fish stew. Goodbye. See you next time.